Hello, everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Guidance Health.
Today in video, with winter here, it's crucial to protect your skin from the sun's harmful rays, even when it's cold outside. In this YouTube tutorial, we'll guide you through creating your very own DIY winter sun protection mask using simple ingredients found at home. Let's get started on this homemade remedy to keep your skin safe and radiant in the winter sun. Step 1. Gather your ingredients. For this DIY winter sun protection mask, you'll need the following: oatmeal, a natural sunscreen and skin-soothing ingredient; honey, known for its moisturizing and antibacterial properties; Greek yogurt, provides a protective layer and nourishes the skin; almond oil, an excellent source of vitamin E and a natural sunblock. Step 2. Mix your ingredients. Start with 2 tablespoons of oatmeal, ground into a fine powder. 2. Add 1 tablespoon of honey for its moisturizing benefits. 3. Incorporate 2 tablespoons of Greek yogurt for that protective layer. 4. Finally, add a teaspoon of almond oil for extra nourishment. Mix and apply. Thoroughly mix the ingredients to form a paste. This mask will not only protect your skin from the sun, but also provide moisture and nourishment essential during the winter months. Application. Apply the mask evenly to your face and neck, ensuring complete coverage. Leave it on for 15–20 minutes, allowing the oatmeal and honey to act as a protective barrier while the yogurt and almond oil work their magic on your skin. After the recommended time, rinse the mask off with lukewarm water. Gently pat your face. Dry with a soft towel. Your skin will feel nourished and protected. Protecting your skin from the winter sun is essential for maintaining a radiant complexion. This DIY winter sun protection mask is a convenient and effective home remedy that you can use throughout the season. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends who need a natural sun protection solution. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your safe and glowing skin.